It's a beautiful day in Tetherow, and I'm here in front of 19138 Gateway Loop. At 2,329 square feet and consisting of a single-level main home as well as an ADU above the garage, this vacation home delivers luxury and convenience for your next Central Oregon adventure. Let's go inside and take a look. This floor plan is called the South Fork, and it consists of this 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath main home at 1,960 square feet. All 4 bedrooms in this main home are king suites and are well appointed with a modern and more sleek palette. This house is being sold fully furnished, so it will be 100% turnkey for the next owner. This kitchen certainly will serve as the hub of this vacation home. With bar-top seating and a great open floor plan with the dining and living spaces, there's no doubt this will be the spot to hang with family and friends. Although when you're on vacation, walking to one of the 3 restaurants on site might be a little easier, it's nice to know that you can cook in style in a kitchen outfitted with Bertazzoni appliances, these locally made Eco-Crush counters, and all of the gadgets that you'll need to cook a gourmet meal at home. We are up above the oversized 2-car garage in the 369 square foot ADU. This space offers total flexibility for owners and renters alike and offers a nicely equipped kitchenette, a full bath, and a private deck looking to the west. So at the end of the day, this is your spot to enjoy the evening, sitting around the fire pit or unwinding in the hot tub. We are literally steps away from some of the best biking, golf, and recreation that Central Oregon has to offer. This is a rare opportunity to have a fully managed turnkey short-term rental in one of Bend's finest neighborhoods. We invite you to come take a look for yourself.